Hello, my name is Damien and welcome to the official Camera Security Now YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to retrieve playback from your NVR using the SmartPSS software. SmartPSS is a software that allows you to view your camera system on another device both remotely and on site. For smartphones, instead of the app being called SmartPSS, it is called GDMSS Plus. Okay, so let's begin. First, click on the SmartPSS icon. This is the camera icon on your desktop, and typically it is a white icon. If it is not on your desktop, you can search in the Windows search bar at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once SmartPSS is open, please log in. If you have not changed the default account, then the login should be admin. Once SmartPSS opens, you'll be brought to the home page. Here, we can select Live View to view the current display of our cameras. We can also select Playback to view previous footage recorded on our NVR. For this video, we will select Playback. On the Playback screen, notice on the right side of the screen we see our NVR. Also note, at the top of the screen, the home page is located there. This is how you will return to the home screen if there is any issue or would like to return to live view. Alright, let's continue. Select the NVR by clicking the checkmark box next to its name. This will select all of your cameras on the NVR so you can view their playback. If you only want to view some of your cameras, then select the drop-down arrow next to the NVR and select the cameras you wish to see. I'm going to select Warehouse 1 for this video. At the bottom right corner of the screen, notice there are days and times. We can designate when on our recordings we would like to see. For example, if we believe a break-in happened on Monday, March 16th, and we believe it happened between the hours of 5 p.m. and 8 p.m., we can designate that time frame. Once we select the time frame, we can select Search. The NVR we are using is currently recording on motion. As you can see, there are a few small yellow lines on our time-lapse bar at the bottom. These marks the times that our camera system were actively recording. If we select one of these bars, we can view the playback at that time. By selecting the play button, we will see each recording one by one. After locating the piece of recording you want to go to, select it and you'll begin playing that recording. Next, to actually clip it, select the scissor icon in the bottom right and let the scene play through. After the scene has ended, select the scissor icon again and an export screen will display. Here you can select the location to store the video and the format of the video. I recommend changing the location to either your video or your desktop to find easier at a later date. Select Next after choosing the path and a prompt to end playback will appear. Select OK and you have officially saved your recording. Thanks again for watching our video on saving a recording from SmartPSS. Hope to see you in the next one.